So welcome to the Fragrant Nature Hotel in Kochi, Kerala. And as you can see, what a magnificent, delightful hotel it is. It's really kind of a gem with old sort of charm, I guess. And I'm here to do an access review on its wheelchair-friendly facilities. So I'm going to be looking at the bedrooms, the swimming pool, the bar areas, the restaurants, and just generally taking a look around the hotel so I can give you the information that you need to plan your next trip. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already following me, then do subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any questions regarding accessibility, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. So for now, enjoy the facilities here. Welcome to Fragrant Nature in Kochi. And my God, come this way, because this is an exceptional room. Check this out. Look at this. Wow, what a bedroom this is. Lots of space. Lots of space. I've got a twin bed here. We've got the usual complimentary furniture that we would expect in any high standard hotel room. But I want to show you something. So this is a wheelchair accessible room. So it's a dedicated wheelchair accessible room at the Fragrant Nature Hotel in Kochi. And one thing that this hotel has is this. So this is a special feature which I have only ever seen in this hotel. And it's basically a panic alarm. So if I get into any difficulty, all I have to do is push this button to alert the staff at reception and they will come to my assistance. So how amazing is that? That is a panic alarm system in this hotel room, right? I haven't seen one of these before anywhere else. So not only is this room so elegant, but it is really equipped with accessibility features as well. So let me show you what they are. So just to start with, to open the door to the room, it's fully automatic. We'll push this button and hey presto, look at that. The door opens all by itself. And there's plenty of space in this door. Of course, got to move out of the way before it closes, right? So that's the automatic door. Have a look at this. So we have an automatic door opening button to the bathroom. Check this out. So what do we have inside? So in here, it's beautifully decorated. Look at the mosaic tiles on the wall next to the shower. We've got a fold down shower seat. The shower controls are within reach, particularly if it's using the seats as well. The tail rail is at a nice height for me as a wheelchair user. There's plenty of grab rails around, guys. So, you know, if anybody needs to use those, of course they're there. And we've got the double handbars around the toilet seat as well. So these are the standard pull down bars just to give extra assistance and stability, I guess. Nicely finished in chrome. Look at the sink. It's the size of a bath. That is massive. Okay, so can I get in underneath the sink? Well, I suppose I can by opening this. It does give me just a little bit of space to get my knees under. I'm fortunate about the face of the unit, because that's going to stop my wheels from going all the way underneath. But that's going to give me just enough space to get my knees underneath and be able to use the sink as well. And again, beautifully finished with mosaic. And to exit the door, we push the button, and hey presto, that is the most exciting bathroom I've seen on this trip to India so far. So, I'm going to get changed and I'm going to go and have a look at the rest of the hotel. Okay, so before I go to the therapy room, I wanted to show you this quick feature, which is the automatic door opening. So using the door card, we tap here and hey presto, the door opens. How convenient is that, eh? So I'm off to the therapy room. Okay, so we're in the therapy room, and what a peaceful environment. Immediately as you come in, you can feel the shanti here in this room. So I think we're going to be given a little guided tour. Can we have a look around?
Yes.
Yeah, the therapy room. So you want to show me the facility?
Yeah.
So, come with me, come this way. Okay, so here we have the amazing beds where you can just chill for 5-10 minutes or however long you want. That looks amazing. And we've even got a sink for a head wash or feet massage. Lovely room. Let's go around this way. Amazing corridor, look at this. So this is the Ayurvedic therapy room. Oh, look at this. So you would lay here with your head resting, and you've got your oil feature, I think, here. So yeah. But listen, the bed is not height adjustable, so you will have to be helped up on top of the bed.
We have 4 Ayurvedic rooms.
Okay, so I've been told that this is the couple's room. Okay, so we have the sauna and steam baths in here. Take a look. Amazing, right? Okay, so as you can see, that is a beautiful space in the hotel, and it's all on one level. So provided you don't mind being assisted onto some of the therapy beds, or if you're able to do it yourself, then I'm sure this is going to be an amazing experience for you. So, here we are in the gymnasium. Let's just do a quick talk, look around. So, just you know what, it's a sensible sized gym. Plenty of floor space, as you can see. Not going to have any problem moving around, and they've got the standard equipment. So, and the workout mats, the yoga mats here. They've got the, and I'm not going to start naming all the different pieces of equipment, but as you can see, it's fully equipped, right? And you've got the free weights as well. Yes. I think that's it for me. I'm done. Workout finished. That's the gym. step, and once you're out here, you get to experience the delightful coffee shop, which has the old kind of traditional English style type of features. We've even got the old English telephone box right here behind us. Look at it. So, I'm going to head out and go and do some shopping, and we'll just take you on a quick walk through the end of the coffee shop. Very small threshold to get up here, so let's manage that first. Give me a hit. So, as you can see, where there are sort of minor barriers, there's always a willing and helpful hand to help. There's two entrance points into the coffee shop area. Where I came through, that was through the inside restaurant, and this is the other entrance, which is from the outside with a slightly steeper step here. So I've been told they don't have a portable ramp, but I have made a request that they create a wooden one, even if it's a temporary one, that they can put into place when they have guests with accessible needs. Yes, so this is the famous Chinese fishing net area. So behind me, you've got the fisheries that are using the old sort of Chinese technology to catch the fish. And I'm really pleased to see a fully functioning ramp system here as well, with the barrier-free tourism area in India. And of course, around me is the marketplace. So I'm going to go and find myself a bargain. Let's see what I can find.
Sorry.
Ayo bang, ayo. Okay guys, so we've come up onto the top floor where we have the outdoor pool, and as you come out of the lift area, we've got one snag, and that is the entrance or the exit to the roof terrace has steps, and I don't believe they have a ramp for this, so I am going to have to be carried out. We've got 1, 2, 3 guys here waiting to carry me out, so let's see how this goes. Here we go. Okay. So you hold from here, one at the back here. No, come to the front, hold from here. Not the wheel, not the wheel. Go from the back. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And up we go.
Oh.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do what we're gonna do, right? Oh. Okay. Thank you very much. Now where do we go? This way? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, if you can tolerate a little bit of manual carrying, then I'm sure this is going to be okay. Let's go to the poolside. Okay guys, so we've made it to the rooftop, and as you saw, a little bit of a step to negotiate, but the staff were very helpful in pulling me up. And as we came round, we found the ramp to get us up here, where we've got the beautiful infinity pool overlooking the harbour. You can see the boats are coming in, the sun is out, the sky is blue, and I'm gonna have a nice pina colada. Okay, so guys, that's the conclusion of my review at the Fragrant Nature Hotel here in Kochi. So it's a beautiful hotel. There are some access issues here and there. For example, to get into the pool, they don't have a pool lift yet to help you get from the surface into the water. So you are going to have to manage getting into the pool by yourself. The bedroom is absolutely stunning. And also the therapy room, you know, very, very beautiful. And yes, there are one or two minor steps here and there, but the staff are so helpful and so willing that, you know, they'll do whatever they can to assist your stay. So I hope you've enjoyed the review. And again, give me a thumbs up if you've liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.